If Trump do not run for president, I think Ron DeSantis should run. He's a governor of Florida, and I want you to listen to some of his stuff he's saying, especially about the virus and some of the stuff, all this stuff that Biden is trying to mandate. Mandatory vaccinations. Kids and family need to wear masks in their own homes. It's kind of crazy, but listen to a little bit of Run and tell me what you think. Should he run for president? And maybe he should run and get Candace Owens as his vice president, or Trump should run and get Candace Owens as their vice president. But I think Candace Owens should be the vice president before becoming a president because she need to get a little bit more time under her belt. But check it out and tell me what you think. We're going to go through this and watch it together.
I just want to say something quickly. Joe Biden has taken to himself to try to single out Florida over COVID. This is a guy who ran for president saying he was going to, quote, shut down the virus. And what has he done? He's imported more virus from around the world by having a wide open southern border. You have hundreds of thousands of people pouring across every month. And it's not just from Mexico. In fact, it's rarely from Mexico. You have over 100 different countries where people are pouring through. Not only are they letting them through, they're then farming them out all across our communities across this country, putting them on planes, putting them on buses. You think they're being worried about COVID for that? Of course not.
And I'm trying to figure out how in the world are they getting away with some of this stuff? Just like you see my video the other day about Candace Owens was denied for taking they wouldn't even let her take a COVID test in Aspen, Colorado because of her political views. It's crazy. All right, we'll continue.
And what is his big solution? What is he so upset about Florida? His solution is he wants to have the government force kindergartners to wear masks in school. He doesn't believe the parents should have a say in that. He thinks that should be a decision for the government. Well, I can tell you in Florida, the parents are going to be the ones in charge of that decision.
Good deal.
One of the major medical people in his administration just recently told parents that they should be wearing masks at home when they're around their own children. This is insane. Joe Biden also believes that vaccination should be mandated by force of government and that you should have to show vaccination status to be able to participate in society. Now, Florida, we're very proud of our Seniors First strategy. You look at the mortality in nursing homes among seniors, it's declined dramatically. But we said from the beginning, we're going to make it available for all, but we're not going to mandate it on anybody. That's ultimately an individual's choice to be able to do it.
And also, he's going to talk about natural immunities, and which you guys know my story. My wife and I, we both got natural immunities. Her antibodies is way higher than mine. And I think if she take the vaccine, she may have more problems. But they should recognize the natural immunity because science have proven that antibodies works great for this virus. But check it out.
Biden, he rejects science because he denies the fact that people that recover from COVID have long-lasting immunity. And that's been proven time and time again, and the data is very clear. So his vision is, just like in New York City, restaurants should ban young kids from being able to go in because they're not eligible for vaccination, and law-abiding citizens have to produce proof of their medical records just to go to the gym or attend an event or just to participate in everyday society. He wants that, but yet if you want to vote, he thinks it's too much of a burden to show a picture ID when you're voting. So no voter ID, but have to show your medical papers just to be able to live an everyday life? Give me a break. Why don't you get this border secure? And until you do that, I don't want to hear a blip about COVID from you. Thank you.